Hello everyone, welcome to PassionWaterTarot. Okay, so, well, it's still Wednesday night, but I'm doing the Thursday readings because tomorrow the kids and I have to go into town. Remember, I live out in the country, so into town, there's a flipper here. It really means something to us. Alright, so, Gemini, this is your second week in January 2022 reading. And I want to talk to you about your reading. Wow, Spirit wants to too, because cards are just going everywhere. At the end of this week, the week that I'm reading for, January the 10th through the 16th, you may feel some heavy energy. It may be exciting, and it may be a little bit stressful. A little bit of both. But it's because on Monday, the 17th, there will be a full moon. So, the next reading's coming out. It's going to be all about that full moon. So let's see what's going on for you, Gemini. Your positive affirmation for this reading is today I am loved. Today I will know in my heart that I deserve love and respect. And you do. Yes, you do. Absolutely. Especially from yourself, from you, what's within you. What's going on here? This is your synopsis. And hammer, sabotage, rebuilding, integration, repetitive, persistent, working on it. What are you working on? Where did the sabotage come from? Was it from you? Did you self-sabotage? Or was it from another source? So let's see what your romance card is. Religious factors. Your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. Now that can mean a lot of things. That could absolutely have to do with not just religion, but it can even have to do with race or culture. So there's something that has to do with how you've been raised. That's my cat playing, having a good time. So it's something that kind of stands out from that noise, right? Something that kind of stands out about your personality that's a factor in this. Whether it's how much you love, how much you're always willing to go above and beyond for the people that you care about. Well, Spirit wants you to know that during this week, they have this huge umbrella of protection over you. And the main area of protection that they're wanting to guide you towards is a healthy lifestyle. Archangel Raphael, eat a healthful diet, get adequate sleep, and exercise regularly for optimal health. Now, I believe that completely. Why? Number one, we have a full moon coming. Rest up in advance. It's always emotional. No matter who you are, not just for the water signs, okay? Because you could be dealing with somebody who has water strong in their chart. Now we're going to do a four card reading for your reading for this week. I think my cat just got in the window. I have a dog here, I have a cat there, and I think there's one back there in the window. Because the curtain's moving. Yep, there's a cat back there. Okay, it's down now. Something is distracting you from what you would like to be involved in. I'm sorry, Gemini. Something about your home, your foundation of your happiness, what you believe in, what you've worked towards, and it's about a lack of. This is the Ace of Swords. That was the Four of Wands in reverse. This is the Ace of Swords in reverse. No new beginning and honesty. Not being able to get through to one another. Whoever this person is that you're having a heartbreak over, it's like they can't hear you. They can be looking directly at you and see your mouth moving, but they cannot comprehend what you're telling them. It's like a big roadblock for them. And you're recognizing that they don't get it on the same level that you do. The Lovers in reverse is your response. So you're going to pull away. It's not that you quit loving them, but you're realizing that you got to love you, that you got to take care of you, that you cannot dwell in the past. You can't dwell in the destruction. That it's time to rebuild this relationship, this bond. And so you send out a new message of honesty and clarity. I like this for you, Gemini. You're not giving up on this love. You're not stopping loving this person who's not understanding your point. No. You're backing away and starting over. You're finding out where the communication gap is at by asking questions. And that's really the Page of Swords. It's a message of honesty, a message of clarity. You're asking for clarity from them. Where does the understanding, the comprehension fail? So you can address it. This is most likely a Ten of Pentacles situation, a very near and dear soulmate. A family member, a friend, a co-worker can be your lover, but your energies are very entwined, and there's a lot of loyalty and respect in this relationship. And you're not going to let it go. You are going to keep it pushing. You're going to keep it moving towards progress. And I love that for you. Gemini, this is so good. Look at you go, baby. What other clarifiers do you have, Spirit, for this read? Five of Pentacles. Taking that moment alone to regroup, to think about. That's when you pull away. You'll be alone. You're not going to pull away with this person with you. This is time alone. This is time alone to think about priorities and how to bring comfort, support, love, and compassion back to this relationship. Is this your child? Is this a teenager? And one of the best ways to show other people good coping skills is for you to love yourself first. Now, is there any other clarifiers for this read? Whoa, looks like we got a flipper here. Okay. Not going to court. Not getting a divorce. Not separating the marriage. Not involving the authorities. You know, people who may not fully understand the dynamics of the situation. So this is really keeping it in-house. You know, you don't need to involve others. That's justice in reverse, really. And this could be going to court. This could be an attorney, a judge, a magistrate. This is leaving them out of it. They don't have any position in this case. This situation, it's not going to be helpful, okay? So what's the most likely outcome of this reading? The Knight of Swords in reverse. Okay, I hear you. I hear you, Spirit. So it's not for you to offer the solutions to this person to rebuild your relationships. After you have that time alone to think about it, it's about bringing different choices to the table, not just demands. You know, like in a court, you have a court order, and you have to do it, or else you can face going to jail or having fines. So, trying to make a list out of options. What's the best option for you together to solve this problem? Well, Spirit wants to remind you, Gemini, they're not your options. They should be coming from your person of interest. Yeah. This is going to help them to grow. This is going to be a part of you growing to allow them to grow. Okay? And that's clarified by Strength in Reverse. Ooh, being more powerful by remaining calm, confident, and loving. Wow. This is so beautiful. Look at all these swords out here. Are you dealing with an air sign? If not, you could very well be dealing with a Libra, huh? Or another Gemini. Alright. So, whoever this is, there's a problem. There's a lack of comprehension and lack of understanding. The Spirit's saying for a resolution, for you to step back and think about this. That the solutions are not really yours. They're what's good options for your person. Whereas this situation, they're kind of like the central character, and you are they're Batman, you're Robin. Okay? They're Cheech, your Chong, or they're Chong and your Cheech, you know? But they need to come up with a solution. Your job in this, Gemini, is to be a voice of encouragement, and a voice of reason. So what's your advice for the Spirit for this reading? A wave of power. Wow. Yeah. Giving back your person of interest is power to them by allowing them, oh, my nose so quick itch now, sorry. By giving back their power to them so that they can make good, solid decisions based on who they are, elevates you. It causes you to ascend to a higher vibration to allow them the growth. A surge of power, upswinging energy, exhilarating movement. Wow, it's beautiful, isn't it? Look at that. Absolutely, passionately wonderful. This is, I have the urge, I really do, to ask, what is this about? But for each one of you, it's a little bit different. And I believe that there's quite a few options, okay? Because of who it might be. Because I do feel 3 stories, specifically one that it's a lover, one that it's a friend, and one that it is a family member. Specifically, a parent or a child. Parent-child type of relationship. So, if you raised a child and they're an adult now, well, they got themselves into a little fix and they are coming back looking for a mentor. And Gemini, you, my love, have been elected. So, thank you all for being here, and if you would please go right down there and click subscribe and then hit the all word so you receive notifications when future readings are uploaded and available. Also, thank you. Thank you for sharing your energy with me and everybody else on the World Wide Web here in Yahoo Land, YouTube Land, Yahoo. That's what I tend to call it so much. But anyway, I appreciate you all. You're absolutely wonderful. I'm very grateful and thankful for each and every one of you. So I'll see y'all tomorrow with, actually I gotta do Leo's reading, and then I'll see y'all tomorrow with Libra, Pisces, and Sagittarius. Namaste.